So, a good clean getaway this time from the four-wheel drives. John's trying to take the mick a little bit. He's gone out there with his two-wheel drive. As they're already up to the tabletop. Oh, not sure what's happened to John. He hasn't come out the other side of the tabletop. So our leader is Simon Watson with the Yakomo. Then Adam with a second YZ4. And Simon Miller's had a much better start this time with his S-Works. See if he can get a clean run in now. Oh, it's all kicking off down there. Off the step downs. As Adam promptly fills my face with sand. He got out very wide on the loose stuff. Oh, Simon Miller gets up on two wheels and over on his roof. So it is Simon Watson now from Carl Dufton as they come down the straight. John finding that he can't brake in quite the same manner as he would do with a four-wheel drive. And he's also finding that he hasn't glued his tyres on very well. So Martin's got his way up to third. Adam's had a bit of a mare. And then Marshall is on top of the Alpine section. So big gap now back from Simon Watson. Carl had an error and lost a lot of time, unfortunately, for Carl. Marshall was off recovering another car. Oh, Adam braked a little bit too early. So great scrap going on between Martin and Simon Miller. Oh, as Martin just over rotates a bit, makes up his own bit of track. He's saying, I've cursed him, I'll shut up about Martin, then I'll go and talk to Simon immediately. This work, Simon's on his roof. And that's let Carl back through into third place. Adam's not far behind either. Adam's quick between his crashes. Adam was a lot later braking that time. That yoke's been looking very fast all day, but too much of that going on. Then gets hung out in the slippery sand on the outside of the track.
Race ordered after 4 minutes. 3, 5, 6, 4, 1.
That's all closing up in the battle for second place. I was about to say there's 4 cars in it. There's 3 cars at the moment. Adam can soon get himself back up there though. But it's Simon who's in the prime seat for that one at the moment. So Simon Watson's in cruise control out the front of this race. Miller's looking pretty happy in second. It's to the line. So the race is on for third place. Carl Dufton, Martin Smith and Adam Smith. Oh, as Martin loses it going into the sweeper. Adam has to anchor up. So it's going to be to the line. Adam looks down the inside of the corkscrew. There's not a lot of room through there. They come together. If you can wait, please, Adam. Oh, let's sort yourself out. Right, go again. A few more corners to the line. Who's going to take it? Can Adam launch anything at the wall ride? He's not going to be close enough, unfortunately. So, good race drive.